Yes. So I'm recording on my computer because I'm not experienced much with Zoom, you know, when it goes in the cloud and like this. So then after I will
Okay.
kind of send it to you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. And so I put it now full screen, and then we see already the screen of Jeeva. Okay.
Yeah.
So start from the very beginning. Yeah. Once she's logged in, where to go to arrive there.
Okay, so in Go High Level, so this is the landing page for the event, which is 2025. So this is the home page. So how we could reach the home page in Go High Level means we just go to the High Level app,
Yes.
which is app.gohighlevel.com. Then after you could access with your, you could log in with your access. Um,
And now Zoom is hijacking the bandwidth, so it will show slow on the screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after you log in, it will directly land on the agency dashboard because if the access is a super admin, then you will arrive to this page. Then after in the left navigation, you have to switch to the sub account, which is the working town.
Okay. And I think by you it will open directly working town because you're
Yes. Yes.
at working town, but just in case. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Then after you have to navigate to sites, which is on the left menu. You can find sites. Just click sites in the left navigation. And then after it will directly land it on the funnel space. So we are in the right place now. So now we need to find the folder. The folder is Terra 2025 FATEC, and the next one is a Terra 2025 invoice. So I have two payment system. One is for credit card and one is for the invoice. So invoice, I especially mentioned this is an invoice folder. So the one, nothing's mentioned, it was credit card. So where we could find the home page is we need to go with the folder for credit code. So which is Terra 2025 FATEC. Just click it, you will land
Just a quick
directly.
question.
Yeah.
This is now the one for 2025, yeah. But will be 25. And but you have still a template somewhere else?
Yeah, I have the template. So when you go back, I was mentioned event name FATEC master template December 2024. This we don't need to touch it. So FATEC only can handle it if anything. I mean, if you need to duplicate it, you can do by using this three dot. No,
Could,
the
could, could
folders.
we do could we do a folder, or should we put this by backups? No, backups is old stuff that we don't use anymore, yeah? Just
Yeah.
to collect data. So maybe you could make a folder. Maybe we can do it now. So then Nikki also sees how we create those folders. So
Okay.
create a folder that you called FT template to duplicate. Well, it's a bit long. So FT template, please don't edit. Templates, CSS, yeah, please don't edit, yeah.
So this is for your use, basically.
Yeah, or yours also templates, maybe put an S at it, so that we see that we will have many templates. Yeah. So
Okay.
so we will save it there so we don't have accident. You know that somebody goes, maybe
Okay.
sometime Mark goes sometime himself to quick change a date. So we hide them a bit there, yeah. So you can
So basically, these we can use to duplicate for future events. So Terra 2026, for example, would go into here and create
exactly.
2026.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that will be, and we call it, yeah, you can confirm, Jiva. We called it master template.
Yes.
Jiva,
Okay.
can you confirm the template?
Yeah. Yeah.
The so we call them, if we scroll down, we'll see the name. You see event name, so we see it still need to be edited, yeah. And it's
Okay.
master template. Yeah.
Fantastic.
So
Okay.
this one I would say never edit it, yeah. So we can
Okay.
always revert back. So now
Okay.
next time you will be free to choose. Let's say now you do Terra 26 or 27, you know, next year, yeah. And so you will decide, do you take the one from Terra 25, which has maybe already a lot of editing that you can reuse, or you go to the master one, yeah.
Okay.
But what is important, the master, you just duplicate it and then you work on the duplicate.
Exactly. Okay. So we're going to put the Fairtech master template and invoice Fairtech master template into the do not edit.
Exactly. That's what he will do now, yeah.
And we're going to go through them, right? So I'll be able to see, because I'm thinking that these templates can be used for any of our events, whether it is Terra or Hygieia.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. That's what we did. Yeah, so we will always use this for any event. Yeah.
Okay.
Unless you have just a small event. Yeah, you know, like maybe
the one-off.
Yeah, so how we say it, a free webinar or something like this.
Yes.
Because then you don't have all the paying the invoice, and then if necessary, maybe you can do it yourself or take an existing one, or we help you to make a simple one, yeah, so that then we will have a template for a small one, yeah, because this one now is quite large, yeah, it has added, yeah, and we realized we could simplify a lot compared to what it was before, but it's, you will see, it's still a lot of thing to edit, yeah, and to edit the same thing in many places, yeah, for example, if the price change, then you have to make the invoice, because those invoices are prepared in advance. So you have to make the invoice for 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person, till 10 person. Yeah, you have to prepare those invoices. Yeah.
Yes.
We're working in the background to have a system that automatize this, but this would take a few months, yeah, to
for sure.
You see, because there was technical limitation in the past, but now the software is always improving. This HighLevel is always improving. So we may do more automation, but we need some time. Yeah, it will be not good to try now. Yeah.
Okay.
So I will say.
Okay, can I continue?
Yeah. I was just taking notes. Something that I will tell you, Jeeva, to make backups. Yeah. So now you can move them. You don't move them yet. Eh? So move them. Move those templates. Yeah. So that they are gone.
I think we couldn't do it. We need to go inside the folder and we need to take funnel to the folder as one by one. So we need to clone it and then move it.
You can't use move to folder, so
we can move folder directly, folder to folder. It's not possible. So when you go to the 3 dots, rename and delete.
Yeah, and you cannot drag and drop them. Yeah, okay. Okay, but then you will do that in the background, yeah?
Why don't you just get the Fairtech master template and rename it? Just write do not edit with it.
Because I like to hide it. You know that it's a longer way to reach it, yeah?
Okay, I get you.
Otherwise, it's in the list with the others, yeah, to avoid accident, yeah.
Okay.
Move the master template to the template folder. I just take note that we don't forget, yeah? So we do this after, yeah? Okay. So then, Jeeva, we should go. So this Terra 26 sneaky test is for you if you want to test something without any risk to damage. Yeah? If you're not sure what you're doing, you can quick go there. That's your sandbox, yeah, where you can play around, yeah. And so now then, Jeeva, so the live one will be Terra 25, yeah?
Yeah. So that is Terra 25 and Terra 25 invoice. These two are live.
So these are the one that we prepare now for the next event, yeah?
Exactly.
Okay. And that we have prepared for you, and now he will show you how you can go and polish it. But still, yeah, the offer is still there, yeah? If you suddenly have all the information, send us the details, and we do it for you, yeah? So this still stays, but now that at least you have access, because maybe I know how Mark is. He has a lot to do, and then suddenly he focus on one thing and he put all his energy in it. Yeah. So then
totally, Patrick.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah. So then suddenly and then suddenly he will want to go himself to get the result fast.
Yes.
Yeah. And he's a very nice person. Yeah. You always want to help.
Yes, yes.
So then he wants to help you and like this. So I know suddenly it moves. So now you're ready, you know
For
where it
sure.
is. Yeah.
For sure.
Okay.
So in fact, what I will do is I will also speak to him and set a meeting with you guys in January when things settle down for him a bit, and he will join the meeting as well.
Perfect.
Because by then he should have seen the templates and whatever.
Okay, very good. Yeah. And this is now that you start to get familiar with it, also maybe you, if it's suddenly video, you can already walk him through to some
Yes,
maybe,
yes, yes.
without to have to wait till we have the meeting. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And also for you to know, you have the access to my calendar, but
Uh-huh.
I have also some buffer time, yeah, or some internal meeting that I can move, yeah. So for
Okay,
example, because when it's 2 person, it's easy, but as soon as you have 3 or 4 person,
Yes.
difficult to have everybody same time. Yeah. So then you can tell
Yes.
me there's a few or option to say, for example, what about Tuesday morning? Would you have time? And or Thursday afternoon? And then I can move things around and tell you, yes, I can do a 2,
Great.
which was maybe not available in the calendar. Yeah.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
don't find
Thank
in
you.
calendar. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
So then, Jiva, sorry. Now I'll let you talk. Sorry.
No problem. No problem. So to find the home page of Terra 2025, which is the landing page, we need to go inside Terra 2025 pattern folder. So in the top, we can see Terra 2025/FT. This is the main one. So home page. Others you can find there is a 1 participant funnel, 10 participant funnel, and 2 participant funnel. So the one without having any participant, that's a home page. So we can easily identify that. And just click the funnel, it will go inside it. And then, like you said, if you want to see this page, you can click this arrow mark to open it in a new tab to see the funnel of the page.
Okay.
That funnel is already open, the home page is already open, so I just let it go. So if you want to edit this page, you can find the button edit and make sure this one is selected. The first step is selected. And just click edit.
Well, Jiva, question. Could we rename this? Because I was seeing on the left when it was written registration. We could maybe name it to home.
Yeah, sure, we could. Can I do it now on the fly?
Yeah, maybe. Yes. So it's done, and we have it like this on the video. Yeah, so it's a bit more speaking what is what. Yeah, so we call it home. So you understand that's the home page. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. If you want to edit it, you need to go to the right side, which is called a publish. So just click that and you can rename it home. If you this URL makes no sense because we opened the root one, the main root. So if you want, you can also edit it, but it will not affect this URL because this is the main one.
I see registration is good for the people, yeah, because we're on a website and it's Terra 25
Yes, agreed.
registration. So it's quite fair. But for you, so homepage, yeah, maybe you can call it homepage/registration, yeah, Jiva, something homepage/registration. So when you see it, that's where I reach the homepage, yeah. So you see now it will edit on the left, yeah. You can update, yeah, Jiva.
Yeah.
And then you will see now it will rename it on the left, yeah. Yeah, you see now it's renamed there on the left, yeah. So homepage registration, so it's a bit more.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good.
And after click edit. Okay, now the page is loaded. If you want to change the logo, you just need to highlight the pot. Make sure the surrounding border should be in orange because it selects the element. If you go away, it will show the color blue and green. So this is not selecting the template. If you want to change something in the element called images or text, make sure the orange background is selected. Otherwise, we couldn't be able to edit it. For example, I selected this text. You can see we can rename the text, which is Terra. Sorry, it's Terra. I thought it was logo, but it's text. Yes, that's correct. So you can add whatever you want here itself. if you want to edit image or a button name, then you have to go to the right side. For example, you see this is the button. So when we selected, if you want to edit
Okay,
this text,
understood.
you have to go to on the right side to find the text.
So any basic text you do on the left side, and where there is a hidden URL or an image or a logo, it's from the right side.
That's correct. Yeah, you got the point. So, yes. And then for 2024, it's a 2024, but now we are 2025. I'm not
Yes.
sure about the time, date and time. So later when we could update it, but I just updated it's for 2025. So once you click, when you come outside, it will show you have to save it. So like similarly, we have to edit the text and image. For example, if you want to change this banner, it's for banner things only it was, yeah, I think, yeah, it's blue selected. Like I already said, it was the orange border, select the element. But in case of only banner, you need to select the blue background
Okay.
because it's a background image. It's not a front-end image, but it's a background image. So in this case, similarly, you have to go to the right side and you can find background media. So once you select it here, it will open the image folder system where we can find my media. So here is the place where you could able to upload the image from your desktop. And then when you double click it, it will get selected.
Okay.
You have to double click on the image. So right now I didn't select it because it will get disturbed.
Yes, yes.
And
Okay.
here you can also create folders. Yeah, we will not create one now, but it's the same system. And I will recommend, for example, if you have picture for funnels or picture for specific event, you can create a folder so you find them faster next time. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
By us, we lose a lot. We use a lot the folder. Yeah. So because suddenly you have so many pictures. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. For example, we have one folder for all the logos.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good.
Or
So you can find
banners.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, to create a folder. Yeah, to create a folder, you can find the folder icon which indicates the plus.
Yeah.
We'll create a folder.
Okay.
Good.
And after you edited the text, you can just simply save and publish. Just one thing, there was a global template in this funnel. For example, the footer and this second line footer, which is called as a mini footer. So we have two global templates. So if you want to edit this footer, it will apply to all other steps in the same funnel. So it will reduce the work, manual work.
Yeah.
We don't need to update it each and every step of the funnel. So I make this folder as a global template.
So wait, tell me again, because I didn't really understand how that works.
So this is one of those steps that we need to simplify, because on each page, for example, you see, if you wanted to change in the footer something, you had to change it on each page.
Fantastic. Okay.
So now the two last blocks, yeah, the green one and so the footer, if you change on one page, it will change on all pages.
Like, so on the payments page, on everything else.
Yeah, on all the pages from this folder, you saw we had two folder, yeah. There were one for the payment and one for the website, yeah.
Understood.
So there will be two places to do, yeah.
Okay.
Is that correct what I said, Jeeva?
Correct, yeah.
Perfect, yeah. And what about the header? It will also change everywhere, yeah.
Right now we have this header only in the home page, so I didn't create a global template.
Okay. But if we create other page that will have the header, then we can help you to make it that it change everywhere, yeah.
Great.
Exactly.
Okay.
But the other page don't have header, so yeah.
Yeah, that's correct.
But that's maybe it was Mark who removed the header, so you don't have to change it everywhere, yeah. But if you want to look it better, that we add the header, we can do that, yeah. They can tell you, okay, add me the header on this page, and we do it for you, yeah. So then after it's done, we save it on the template. Yeah. Okay. So Jeeva, I think now I don't interrupt you, because seeing the time to make sure that we show everything, because we have the video to go back, yeah, in case.
Yes.
So I let you show you without to go too much in the detail, but to really show all the places. And of course, Nikki can stop us, yeah, but I just let Nikki stop when necessary, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. So here we already discussed how to change the image, text, etc. So once we everything done, we just first save, because we touch the global section. That's why it ask whether as the confirmation to change the global structure. Just save it and then update here. So meta tag, etc. It's not necessary here, but you have to click update and then publish it.
So when it asks updating meta tag, you just say yes, update. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then go back. So this is the home page that we done. And then after the payment method, if you find the payment method, when you click here to register, it will ask you to select the payment method. So this is the next step in the same funnel. So you can find it here, Terra 2025, the payment method.
Fantastic. Okay.
And Patrick, can I go inside or can I skip?
Yeah. I mean, if we need to go inside, yeah, go in. Do
Yeah,
we
okay.
need to?
Because it's all similar. So the ban.
Yeah, so there you could edit the price because he had the price in the button. I did not get his confirmation. I asked Mark to tell me, is it okay that we remove it? Yeah. But otherwise, they will have to edit the price. But otherwise, it's the same way to edit those page. Yeah. Because the programming is now done. Yeah. If they click on credit card, it will go to credit card. So this you don't need to change. Yeah.
Yeah. It's already connected.
Yeah.
So like I already said this, I was thinking that homepage only having a banner, but this next step also having a banner. So when I go in the layers, I already mentioned this Terra header plus event details footer. So it's already a global thing. So if you updated something there, it will also apply it here as well.
Okay, because at the bottom,
banner
didn't we?
also. Sorry.
Yeah, the banner also.
Because we changed it to Terra 2025, no, at the bottom, so that should have changed.
Yeah, I need to refresh this page because we're in the same funnel.
Okay, get you. You're always 5 steps ahead of me.
No, it's a good point. It shows that you're sharp.
That's correct.
Following. It's good, yeah. So it's confirmed as you're following, so we can speed up a bit the explanation. It's very good, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Then next step, after you select the payment or the invoice, go with the credit card. So like for here, I will go with the invoice. I just selected invoice here. So it will ask you how many number of participants you would like to register for the event. So it will be the next step in the same funnel because wait. So invoice, it will go to the another funnel. Sorry. So if it is a credit card, it will continue with the same funnel. So if you choose credit card, because I already mentioned the main folder, it contains all credit card systems. So if you pay with the credit card, it will go to the same funnel, which is the third step of the funnel. But anyway, both are having the same user interface to select the number of participants.
So from here onwards, and then it would be a new funnel, I assume, once you click how you're going.
Yeah. So if we choose, for example, total number of participants is 3, it will point the participant 3 funnel in the credit card. I already linked to the URLs here, so we don't need to touch it.
Okay.
So just let it.
What I will suggest there is to remove this linked program and speakers, because that's the idea of a funnel. Not to have any distraction, not that they start to go in and say, oh, who are the speakers? And then they go out of paying. Yeah. So they should now focus on registering and pay now. Yeah.
Fair enough.
I will suggest you to remove them. But okay,
Yeah,
Jeeva, I'll let you continue.
Maybe I will show you how to remove these buttons. So it's quite easy. So when we click edit, it will enter inside. And then you can find program and speakers. So when you select, it will have the orange background. So you can find the delete icon in the top. So when we just click, it will remove.
Yeah.
And then after you need to save. Of course, it will ask you to update the meta tag. Just click update. And then finally publish it.
Okay.
So when you come on this page, it will boom, print out. There we go.
There we go. Okay. So when they click to pay with an invoice, we would need to generate the invoice, right? Then.
Yeah, that's correct.
It doesn't generate an invoice automatically for them.
It was a predefined. So we need to create an invoice already for the 10 participant in the backend. Okay. So I already done this. So can I show it how it will be done? So if you want to create the invoice first, you have to go to the payments. So in the payment area,
But now, is this not already prepared in this funnel? They cannot just edit
it's already prepared.
Yes, it is. So, okay, because if it is, that's fantastic.
Yeah. Then
Already
don't let go. Don't go into how to create a new one from scratch. Yeah. Go from the one in the funnel. Yeah. Or they always have to go to payment. No. Huh?
No, if you want to edit something in the invoice template, you have to go to the payments. So you can see here, I already created Terra 2025 invoice for participant 1. And similarly for invoice for participant 2, participant 3, 4, 5, etc.
Okay.
So if you want to edit something except the price, because the price is connected with the product.
Okay.
Let me show it. So let me take this one. I will click edit. You can find the edit option in the 3 dot, which is on the right side. So click edit. Here we couldn't able to edit the price directly. So you can find the business information and add products. So the product is connected. So here we couldn't touch the price. I think yes, but it's better to edit the product because the same product is connected with credit card system and also invoice system. So it's better we need to edit the price directly on the product, not in the invoice. Especially if you want to edit something, for example, in the footer, you asked me to put the bank details. So here you can find the additional options. So here you can edit the text what you want. But for the bank account number, shift code, you can't able to edit it because I created a custom variable for that. Because we have 10 invoices. So if we put directly edit it here, you need to edit it on all 10 invoices. So to reduce the work, I already created the custom variable. I will show you later how to edit the custom variable for the bank details. So I just have the view how need to reach the invoice.
Right,
So
you will go in the backend, you put in the new bank details one time. If they change, yeah, and it will change on all the invoice automatically. Yeah.
that's correct. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So his important message that say also don't come to edit the price here. You will have to edit it by the product, yeah, because depending if you pay by credit card or if you pay by invoice, it will fetch the price by the product, yeah.
Okay.
bit
So
like
from the funnel, that would need to be changed, not from here.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
not from the funnel. I will show you the product.
Okay.
It will show you, yeah, it's in the back end somewhere, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So to edit the product, we need to go to products. So in the same payments area, you can find products. So click to open it in a new window. I will show you the product. So that here only you could be able to edit the prices.
Yeah. And you see, it's called product, yeah. But I think this, Nikki, you understand, is because it's a software, you know, like an online shop, that's the product. But for you,
Yes.
a product is an event, yeah.
Yes, it's a service. Yes.
Yeah.
So here I already created 10 products. Each product is considered as a ticket. So like Patrick said, so it's Terra 25 ticket, one ticket. So let me take this same here to edit, which is on the right side. So here you can find the, yeah, here we go. So this is the price section. So if you want to edit the price, you have to do it here for all the tickets. So whatever change here, it will apply to the invoice as well, and also the credit card payment system.
Yeah.
So
For example,
and the client will receive the invoice by email then.
yeah, automatically.
Fantastic.
And now if you scroll a little bit up, you will see there's also the information of VAT. Yeah, you see 18%. Yeah. So you see if now the law changed, now they say, oh, now we want 19%. Yeah, the government. Then you come and you change it there for each. Okay, you have to change it for each product. Yeah. So
yes, but that is.
But then after it will change everywhere. You know, it doesn't matter if they take by bill or by credit card. So that's why you have to do it here by the product. So he created product. These are the ticket, yeah, like you just said, yeah.
Yes.
So it's one ticket, it's one product. 2 tickets, it's one product. 3 tickets, it's one product. Yeah.
Okay.
That's correct. Yeah. So yeah. So here the place where I need to change the price. Then after I will show you how to change the bank details. So let me fix all in one, so we don't get any deviation. So, so if you want to find the bank details to edit, you have to go to the settings, which is on the left menu. Just click settings and then go to custom values, because I create a variable as a custom value. So it's a predefined variable. We need to find the custom value. So we have two things, custom field and custom value, but make sure we need to go with the custom value. It was a predefined thing. So when you click custom value, it will open something in the right side. So you can see I created a bank account name and Bank of Alita, etc. So whatever the field there, I created it here. For example, the shift code as well. So if you want to change the value, then you have to go to three dots, which is on the right. Click three dot and then click edit custom value. So once the value you need to change whatever you want.
Okay.
Then it will apply to the invoices.
And the customer will have the chance to input their VAT number on the invoice. Okay.
Yeah, that's another thing. We could find it. So the customer VAT number, right?
Yes, over there.
Yeah. So it automatically came when they filling the form. We have a custom field
Okay.
for VAT.
Get you.
So
That's when they fill the form.
Yes,
Yeah.
get you. Okay.
Because this is not a predefined value. So whatever the customer updated, it will update dynamically. So it is not predefined. It's not a fixed value. But the bank details is fixed value. So
yes.
whoever receives the invoice, the bank details is fixed. That is what I mentioned. The custom value and custom field is different. So we always play with the custom value. Admin must need to play with the custom value, and developer will play with the custom field.
Right.
And you recognize them always with those brackets, yeah, those square brackets, or how they are called, yeah. When you have something like this, you know it's a custom value, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
But then you have to go to edit in the custom value, and it will edit everywhere on the funnel. You don't have to go in each places, yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. Okay.
Yeah. So we already covered the big two parts, how to edit the price for the product tickets and how to edit the custom value for the bank details.
Okay.
So we already covered these big two parts now. Okay, thanks for confirming this, and I will go back to the funnel again. Okay, yeah, here we go. So it was, we completed how to reach the home page and how to continue with the credit card system. Then I will go back. We have the similar system for all other funnels where we are having participant 1 and participant 2, 3, 4, etc. So for example, if you go to the participant 1, I think it's time. Okay.
Okay, now it's clear to me. Okay.
Okay. This is a place where we have to send the users to the different funnel, because if user click yes for doing the credit card payment system, and usually when we shopping something, it will ask you to register your name, details, etc. So that's why we specially have a state whether you are the one of the participant or not. So if it is say yes, the person is one of the participant, it will continue on the same funnel. If they press no, the person is not a participant, then we will go point to the next funnel that we created.
So really and truly, these are not things that I need to touch because they're pretty standard.
Exactly. Yes, I just here, if you want to edit text, means you have to come here. Otherwise, you don't need to come because you are already linked to the proper funnels.
Yeah, it's already, yeah, but he shows you so that you understand what.
Yes.
What, yeah?
In fact, now I got it. Now it's the puzzle is coming together.
Because that was a special requirement that Mark had. So then he said, "Oh, but some of the people, they are not participant. Is the HR register everybody or the owner, and he wants to send his stuff, yeah." And as it takes the name for the credit card from the first participant, so we had to find a solution, yeah. So that's why you had to do this funnel in parallel, yeah. So when they choose, I am a participant or not, and then create a separate funnel, yeah. And
so what I wanted to ask is, because I think I'm understanding a bit better now. Once I'm ready, do I need to go in each and every funnel to publish it?
No, it's not necessary. Only if, especially if you need to change the image or text, then you have to go to the each funnel.
Okay, so if I just need to change from 20, if everything remains the same, so to speak, and all I need to change is from 2024 to 2025, I can just do what I need to do and publish the main page.
Yeah, you can do it on, even you can do it on any one page. For example, let me show it here. It's not necessary that you need to click the first page. Even I go completely any one of the page in the funnel, and then I click edit. I just show you something here.
Yeah, so, but you know, the year, like for example, if everything is the same and the same price and everything, yes, you have much less to edit. But still, I think the name of the event needs to be changed, and even on the invoice also, Jeeva.
Yes. Okay. So basically, because what I am not very clear about is, as soon as a template is created like this in a funnel, the website is actually live, but people just don't know about it, right?
Okay.
So like even my Nikki test 2026, if I give someone the URL, it's live. It's a live website. It's just that people don't go in because it's not a known website, sort of.
Is that correct, Jeeva, or do we need to do something with the URL? Once we duplicate a website, you have to touch the URL? I think.
Obviously, we need to change the URL.
Yeah. So maybe you change, show this step. So when you duplicate a funnel, then you will have to change the URL from the homepage only, or you have to change many.
I think we have to change it many. That plays a bigger role for the funnels. For example, let me take the template that we created, for example, here. Wherever I put the event name, sorry, let me go to the home page. And in the home. Wherever I put the event name, you have to change it to your event. So that's why it was mentioned here. Even when you go inside, the funnels are saying that event name /FT. So if it is for Terra 2026, we have to rename Terra 2026/FT. It's similarly for the URLs as well. So for example, if I go to settings here, you can find the name, event name in the URL. So here you just need to change Terra 2026.
So and then once I start amending things and I save and publish, it just say it goes public, sort of. It's published.
Yeah, but
Okay.
you
So if
have,
I just want to save something and not publish it yet, I can do that, right?
yeah.
So I can amend the website. So for example, today I say I'm going to do the homepage. I save the homepage. Tomorrow I'm going to do the participants page, and I do that and I save. Once I'm ready to publish everything, do I just need to publish on each and every funnel that I do, or do I just publish one and it all goes out?
Now I understand. I understand your question. Yeah. So in fact, what I will suggest, you can correct me, Jeeva, if I'm wrong. But what I will suggest, because now I understand, because first I was thinking you were thinking about being published, being live, and sharing the link. Yeah. So the link need to be changed. Yeah. Otherwise, you will take the one from the old one. Yeah. So for the link that you said, so you will do that. But your question was, can you work partially? And then you have to go because it's time, So then what I would suggest, you save and publish. Because like you say, nobody has this link, so nobody will go there. So it's not that everybody will see your draft, or your unfinished work, So save, publish every time. So meaning in the end, once you finished everything, for you, what is going live, is just start to share, like you have said,
announcing the website.
Exactly. Yes. So that's what I will advise. So you don't have to go to publish, to keep them as draft and then publish in the end. Publish them because nobody goes there. It's not connected to the site. Yeah.
Okay. I am going to have to go, unfortunately, because I have some other things I need to attend to. But this was great because now I had a bit of a repetition and I could understand better on what is going on over here. And I'm not working as, when they say pirate work, it's not that. Now I'm understanding and it makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, and I think it's quite good. And then we look in January to go a bit deeper on the invoicing, and then
Great.
until there you will have done some tests, you will have some questions, and
Great.
you will have some answer from Mark. Then we
Yeah.
can help you polish that together. It's a good
Sure.
idea. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank you very, very much, both of you, and
thank
best
you.
wishes.
Yeah, best wishes.
Have-
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Yes, same to you. And
And
you,
and
Jeeva.
and
Yeah,
yes, we can set an appointment for January, yeah, when
Sure.
you feel it's
That's
good.
the plan. Perfect. Okay, Patrick. Thank you. Thank you both very much.
Thank you.
thank you.
Bye,
Keep well.
Nikki.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.